For the next 15 seconds, try not to be aware, starting now. Try not to be aware. Okay, take a full breath. Here we are. And if you did try this, what did you notice? What happened? I love this simple exercise because it makes so clear that awareness is always present, even when we're not conscious of it. You might pause here for a few moments and check it out again. Just close your eyes for a moment. Try not to be aware. And notice what happens. And still attending, for a few seconds, turn your attention directly towards awareness. What is awareness? Explore with curiosity, with interest. Not the objects of awareness, not the sounds or feelings or images, but awareness itself. What do you notice? According to the teachings of Tibetan Buddhism, awareness is open, wakeful, and spontaneously responsive, lacking form, center, or boundary, or any owner or inherent self. Awareness is the open, allowing space in which all existence arises and dissolves. Although empty itself of thingness, awareness is alive with wakefulness, the capacity to recognize the changing flow of sounds, sensations, smells, visual impressions. And awareness relates to this changing flow, including the infinite diversity of temporary living forms, with warmth or tenderness. This unlimited capacity for responsiveness includes love, compassion, joy, appreciation, and the many other qualities of heart. So these three basic qualities of awareness, openness, wakefulness, and tenderness, are integrated and inseparable. Openness, wakefulness, and tenderness. We might best understand them by likening them to a sunlit sky. There's no way to separate the light, wakefulness, from the open space it illuminates. There's no way to separate the warmth, tenderness we feel from the shining light of the sun. They're inextricable expressions of a whole. And as Tibetan Buddhism teaches, this open, wakeful, tender awareness is the essence of our original and true nature. As we learn to turn our attention toward this awareness, as we learn to rest in it, we increasingly embody those qualities and live from the purity and fullness of who we really are.